Hey there, gadget lovers, it's TechDevil here. Today I'm diving into the Vivo Y200 Plus. Is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. First off, the display. The Vivo Y200 Plus boasts a stunning 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen. That's about 16.51 centimeters for those of you on the metric system. The vibrant colors and sharp resolution make this a great phone for media consumption. Under the hood, we've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. This is a solid mid-range processor, great for everyday tasks and light gaming. Paired with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Whether you're switching between apps or streaming videos, this phone's got you covered. Now let's talk storage. The Vivo Y200 Plus comes with 128 GB of internal storage. That's plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. And if you need more, there's a microSD slot that supports up to 512 GB, so storage is definitely not an issue here. Variants and colors, you've got options. This model comes in two variants, the standard 6 GB RAM version and the beefier 8 GB RAM version. As for colors, you can choose from midnight black, ocean blue, and sunset red. Each one looks sleek and stylish, so you can pick one that suits your vibe. Camera enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The Vivo Y200 Plus sports a triple camera setup on the back. You've got a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there's a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Whether you're snapping landscapes or taking selfies, this phone delivers crisp and clear photos. Battery life is always a concern, right? Well, the Vivo Y200 Plus packs a 5000 mAh battery. That's more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy use. Plus, it supports 18W fast charging, so you can juice up quickly and get back to your day. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Vivo Y200 Plus starts at around $299 for the 6 GB RAM version. The 8 GB version will set you back about $349. For what you're getting, that's a pretty competitive price. So, is the Vivo Y200 Plus worth it? If you're looking for a mid-range phone with a great display, solid performance, and a versatile camera setup, this one's definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. TechDevil watermark text. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech reviews and updates.